Lakeside horror in the French Alps. 4 small children and 2 adults stabbed in a park by a stranger. The attack happened in a waterfront playground in the usually tranquil town of Annecy. The injured children, one of them British, all aged 3 and under, are in hospital in Geneva.
This is something very wrong, and this is awful. We don't want this here.
A Syrian man has been arrested who has asylum in Sweden. Police are trying to establish a motive for the brutal and apparently random attack. Also tonight. Here's struggling to provide safe cancer care, how the NHS is failing patients over tests and treatment across the UK. Stronger laws on dangerous dogs. The mother of a boy mauled to death calls for tighter controls on the breeds that kill. A 50-year-old mystery solved. The remains of a father missing since 1967 identified at last. And after 40 years in the silverware wilderness, a triumphant homecoming for West Ham.
I've taken work off of this. There's nothing better than this. My managers see this, I'm sorry. But... Oh, yeah!
This is the DanTV Evening News with Mary Nightingale.
Good evening. A British child is among 4 very young children badly injured in an horrific knife attack in eastern France. 2 adults were also hurt in the stabbings, which happened in a playground in the picturesque alpine town of Annecy. Now, witnesses describe the attacker deliberately targeting the children who were aged between 1 and 3 years old. Police say the knife man was a Syrian who'd been granted asylum by Sweden. The French president said it was an absolutely cowardly attack and the nation, he said, was in shock. Well, in a moment, we will have the latest live from the scene. But first, here's Lucy Watson on what we know so far.